Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your fuel pump on a Hyundai accent. So the fuel pump is located underneath the seat, so you want to hold the front of the seat right like this. Then you want to pull up on it, and it will pop up. Alright, you want to do that to both sides. Both sides pop up, and also in the back of the seat there should be right there. You need to take out that bolt right there. I'm gonna confirm the size when I get the tool, and there should be one on both sides. Alright, here you go, the other one right there. So let's take out the seat first. So you want to take out the bolt, and it's gonna be 12 millimeter. Right, so that come loose right there. You want to take it off for the other side too. It should be, and it's gonna be 12 millimeter on both sides. And then you want to take up the seat, take it up. Okay. And this area is the fuel pump. You want to get like a flathead screwdriver, pry it up from the adhesive around the fuel pump door. Alright. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Help me help you. If you want to go ahead and leave a small donation, I'm grateful of that, no matter how much it is. I'll leave a link in the description to my PayPal account. You can go ahead and send it there. Alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna take out the seat, not the seat, the fuel gate door. Squeeze this through right here, but you don't have to squeeze this through. You're just squeezing it through so you can see what's going on. So now I want to squeeze this up and push it back to unplug that. Right here have a little clip. You squeeze right there and you unplug the fuel pump like that. Alright. So you wanna crank the car so it can drain the line a little bit. Alright, so you wanna go ahead and crank the car up so it can take out the fuel pump, the fuel that's in the line. Alright. Alright, so you wanna go ahead and take this part off. So you wanna pull on this and squeeze this top that's right there on both sides, and that will make that come off like that. Alright, for this you want to squeeze this down. Want to squeeze this down, then you squeeze it down. Take your time because you probably spew a little bit. Okay, so now that's off. You want to get something to knock right here so you can spin this. So you can spin this and get the pump to get loose. Alright. Alright, so this is what I got. Alright, get that to spin. Take it up. Just clear it from the wire, from the evap line and the gas line, and it will come up. Alright. So what I did is put this right here and I knock it, alright? So it can turn. Now it's time to take out the fuel pump. You just want to play around with it, find a sweet spot for it, and come on. To come up like that, alright? So yeah guys, the reason why I changed the pump, because the car would run and then it would cut off like it's running out of gas. And I found the reason why it's doing that. The car have sugar in the gas tank, so somebody put sugar in somebody's gas tank. Oh no. So that's why I had to change the pump. As you can see, that sugar right there messed the pump up. I'm gonna have to clean the tank, drop the tank and clean the tank, but I'm not gonna show that on video. I'm just showing you how to replace your fuel pump. So I'm gonna do the rest of this off video, and then I'm gonna come back and finish installing the new pump, because I also have a new pump from Hyundai right here. So I'm gonna show you how to install your new pump in a few, after I clean the tank from the sugar that left over. So that's the new pump right there. Come with that too. There. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean the sugar from the tank, alright? So yeah guys, this is the new pump right here. Right here, I already cleaned out the tank because the sugar was in the tank. I didn't bother to drop the tank. I just take out all the gas inside, pour water inside, and wash it out and clean it out and make sure I dried it properly, alright? And I let it air dry some. So now I'm back with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rubber seal, the rubber O-ring right here. Be careful not to let it go down in the tank, because you might have gas in the tank, and when this touch gas, it expands and it don't want to fit right here. So don't let any form of gas touch this. You want to dry around the area real good, so you don't make any gas touch it, alright? So now after you put that part in, you want to go ahead and put the fuel pump in now, alright? Now you put the pump in, you want to put the float in first. So you get the float in, and then put that part of the pump in too. And you want to have it there and rotate it a little bit. And put down this part too, so it goes under. And you want to make sure you have the wires on top, alright? So at this point now, you want to make sure you line up your tubing. So this is line up right here, and you probably might need to turn the pump a little bit. You know, get everything all lined up. Okay, everything lined up. Get that to go in. That will go in, so everything is all lined up. So now what you want to do is keep on holding pressure to it right here, and then you want to get this piece. It's only go this way, not this way, alright? The lip on it should be up, not this way, okay? Go this way. Alright, so keep the pressure on it, on the pump, and put this down. And clear all this stuff away. lock it in a little bit. So this is what it should look like after you line it up and lock it in. So now you want to get your hammer and your chisel or whatever bar you have to knock it the opposite way. Alright, so I knock it. As you can see, there's no more gap between right here and right here. Okay, so it look like. So now it's time to take off this cap and slide on until it clip in place. Same thing for over here. Move this out of the way. Take that cap off. And lock it in place, alright? Lock that into place right there. And now you wanna lock this down here. Lock that into place. Alright. Double check your work, make sure everything is tight. That is there. At this point you can put this down. And also you can go ahead and crank the car at this point, but before I crank the car I had to pour gas in it because I take out all the old gas, the contaminated gas. So I'm gonna pour gas in it and then I'm come back and then I'm gonna start the car. Alright, so what you want to do is turn on your ignition for a few seconds, let the pump kind of pressurize the line. Turn it on again. You can go ahead and crank it. And there we go. It's all cranked up. Alright. I gotta go ahead and erase that check engine light because that light came on because of the sugar was in the tanks and it was giving low pressure. Alright. So now it's time. Make sure everything is good. Make sure everything is all good, you know? Make sure no leaks, so you can lift this back up if you want. And check it. Make sure it's not leaking. You can look underneath to see if it's any gas dropping down below. And yeah, so now it's time to put back the back seat in and tighten it up and go for a test drive. Alright, I'm gonna put the back seat in. You want to get your seat belt, bring them up through the hole right here in the seat. Lock it into place. Now you want to get your bolt that you have right here. Alright. that up. Okay, and do the same thing for the other side. Over there you want to catch the screw. When you look through there, it might not line up, so you might want to adjust a little bit.
Is that easy like it?
No. Go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, that's it guys. That's how you change your fuel pump on a Hyundai Elantra. It's also the same thing for the Kia Forte, the Accent, the Rio, the Sonata, and the Optima. It's the same thing, alright?